Eisteddfod week. This is the opportunity for all pupils to ensure that their house is victorious. Last year, Hafren won the Eisteddfod because of their efforts performing, but also because of their points gained from homework tasks. So although some pupils will be competing in music, drama and dance, every little helps with any homework completed. Each Eisteddfod homework task completed and submitted will receive a point for the house and could make all the difference. Good luck. At the same time, we are also holding the Bro Eden Sports Week, or Mabolgapau. We expect that pupils complete 3 tasks for the Mabolgapau day and again submit any evidence via Google Classrooms. We accept that the majority of pupils will be in school for 1 day a week, so we expect them to work on the Eisteddfod tasks for the remaining 4 days. We ask that they complete 2 tasks a day and submit them in via Google Classrooms. The closing date for any Eisteddfod work is Monday the 13th of July at 9 AM. After this time, teachers will begin to adjudicate the work, so pupils have over 1 week to ensure that their work is of the best standard possible.